everyone. So today's question is, what are the various feature selection techniques? Okay, so before finding the feature selection techniques, let us understand why do we select features from our data set. Okay, so the answer is, why do we select to avoid curves of dimensionality. The thing is, if there are various features in the data set, there will be a problem called curves of dimensionality. So selecting the features can avoid this problem. Okay. So second thing is, by selecting the feature, it can simplify the model. It can simplify the model. Okay. So that the interpretation can be made easily. Right. So the next point why we choose the features is so that we can reduce the training time. So less features will be there, so training time can be reduced. The next and the very important point why we choose or why we select features is to reduce overfitting, right? So that we can enhance the generalization, model generalization. Okay, so these are the points why we select the features. Now there are various techniques to select the features. Let's see that. Okay, so feature selection techniques are, these techniques are basically classified into three ways. First is the filter methods. The second is embedded methods. And the third is wrapper methods. The filter methods are again of various types. These are missing value. Next is information gain. Next is chi-square method. Next is Fisher's scores. Next is variance threshold. And next is correlation coefficient. So many other methods are there which comes under filter method. Important are these. The methods that come under embedded methods are regularization and the random forest importance. Okay, so the third is wrapper methods. In that, there are 4 techniques. That is forward feature selection. Next is backward feature selection. Next is exhaustive feature selection. And the last is recursive feature selection. Okay, so these are the techniques used for feature selection. So we'll start with one by one method. So we'll cover each method in a separate video. So stay tuned for understanding all these methods. So we'll start with filter methods in next video. Till then, bye-bye.